So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to allow removed participants to rejoin on the Zoom website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and tap on the My Account button in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on Settings on the left side column and then click on Meeting at the top. Scroll down to the In Meeting Basics section, and after that you should find this allowed remove participants to rejoin section, so that those participants who have been removed previously from the meeting and webinar can rejoin if you tap on this button on the right side. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.